Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I guess I can say that now because I have more than one video up. But anyway, today we're going to be doing a demo of the OPUIU thing nail kit on Amazon. It's currently $15.99, which is a steal. So in this video, I am kind of just following the instructions that came with the kit, and it was first to cleanse the nail bed, and I used the Morovan 2-in-1 cleansing solution and using the nail glue to adhere the tips that it came with. So two main points about this step here. One is the nail glue is on the thinner viscosity but works very well. It works with the lamp that it comes with, and it doesn't take as long as the 60 seconds that it automatically gives you. So I think that might be the trade-off there. Thinner viscosity but shorter cure time. So here I'm just flash curing it. The second point is they did not have a tip size small enough to fit my pinky, so I just used a random one that I already had in my kit. So if you have smaller nail beds like myself and are thinking about getting this, that's definitely something that you want to make sure you're prepared for. The biggest thing that I've learned when messing with the APRES dupe method is making sure that you have enough gel covering the nail tip to fit your nail bed. Once that's done, you take whatever's left on the brush to make a blob at the edge there, and this is going to help cover the space between the nail tip and the nail bed. So you want to go in at a 45-degree angle and slowly let the gel walk down the nail bed. If the gel's not moving anywhere, I like to kind of flip my hand upside down and let gravity do the work for me. I'm only flash curing here for about 10 seconds because this lamp is very powerful and I think it works really well with the glue that it comes with. This is a really good example of that blob method that I was talking about. It walks up so easily on the nail bed and there are virtually zero air bubbles. If the gel goes up further than I would like it to, I just flip my hand over to cure the underside of the nail. Okay, here are all of them flash cured on and I think they look good, but I do a tap test to make sure they don't go flying off. And once they pass that, I put them in the big lamp. Okay, I know this is a little cringy watching me cut these pretty long nails, but with every new nail tip set that I get, I love to do a cutting test just to make sure that they can withstand the cut without breaking. I can't stand nail tips that get ruined after you cut them, but these did just fine. So I proceed with buffing the top of the nail and putting some base coat on. For the design, I just went with a simple red backdrop so that I could use the black snake stickers. That was an operation putting those stickers on. I did not realize that the panel stickers were not pre-cut, so I definitely struggled a lot. But anyway, I do 2 coats of the red, and I make sure that I clean up around the edges with some acetone before I stick them in the lamp. Around this time was when I realized that this was a disaster, because cutting them was an operation, and then having them align on my nails without giving the snakes like scoliosis was just horrifying. But I guess it was fine. Like, what was that? Hello? I was done fiddling with the design. I put some top coat on, cured it, and then wiped the top layer with the Morovan 2-in-1 cleansing solution. After some cuticle oil, this is the finished nail set. Thanks so much for stopping by.